When it comes to dating, please don't run away with the future. What I mean by this is you need to qualify whether this is the right person for you. Of course, there's never a perfect person, but there's definitely a right person. So here's the magical formula that does work. Months 1 to 3, you qualify values. Do you and this person you're dating share your same highest values? If you want marriage and children, do they want marriage and children? Otherwise, you have different values and it won't work. Months 3 to 6, you are qualifying behavior. We all have what I call a shadow side. Even my little dog Daisy has a shadow side. She doesn't like other dogs, but she loves people and children. We can work with that. That's acceptable. If it was the other way around, it would be really difficult. Months 6 to 12, you are qualifying commitments and investment. So by commitment and investment, you're both planning summer holidays next year. You're spending more time together, you're spending more money investing in the relationship. It's going somewhere. Where initially you may see one another once or twice a week, now you're spending a lot more time together and looking into a future. By using this formula, you take your time, you really do qualify whether they are the right person. If there's any dark shadow stuff, as in addictions, dishonesty, you can't live with that. And of course, by the end of the year whether you actually have the same values. So take care, have fun, and go slowly.